An air fryer dish at only 3 net carbs? It's time to make some okra, y'all. Now for the best in low carb cooking with a bit of Louisiana flair, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button to be notified every time I post a video. 3 ingredients, crunchy and delicious. I've teamed up with my friends at SWEPCO to save you time and money in the kitchen to bring you our awesome air fryer okra. Stay tuned to the end of this video as you'll get the recipe and a special surprise. I'm Shelly with Skinny Louisiana. I share these recipes with my hundreds of weight loss clients and in my 2 cookbooks, Skinny Louisiana in the Kitchen and Skinny Louisiana in the Slow Cooker. And now it's your turn to bring up the low carb spice in your kitchen. We only need 3 simple ingredients for this recipe. We're starting off with our okra. 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of our Tony spice and herbs because you know I like a little kick there. Air fryer, and one of my favorite new products, which is our air fryer liners. Now I have the link below so you can click and order because if you are like me, I loathe cleaning. That means I hate to clean. So comment below if you're just like me and cannot stand to clean. This is crazy easy. We have our okra here. We're gonna add to this our 2 teaspoons of our oil. And if you notice, I have out both olive oil and algae oil. Now, of course, you all know that I get my olive oil and algae oil and Tony's over at the fantastic Drug Emporium. So be sure to comment below if you have a Drug Emporium in your town while we kind of give this a little toss. And this is a really nice way to have okra, to try it outside of our gumbo. Okra is a good source of fiber. It fits in our low carb plan. And one of the biggest complaints that we get about okra is that,
hey, I feel like maybe it's a little gummy and a little gunky.
Not with this recipe. See how easy this is? We're ready to load our air fryer. If you followed me for a while, you know that my husband does have a little bit of coronary artery disease, and we make sure to use our good fats. Now we are a low carb kitchen, but I really post a lot about a lot of our good fats like our olive oils, and algae oil is a great source of monounsaturated fat. Tony spice and herbs, it cuts the sodium in your recipes by half. This is loaded. Put this bad boy in here at 390 for about 12 to 14 minutes. But one thing that I encourage folks to do, and if you watched this, you know this, we'll put it in for about 6 minutes. We'll give it a little toss and finish it up for that additional 6 minutes to try. Here comes my favorite part. Time to try these bad boys. So here we go. They're still smoking. And we are just gonna pull these bad boys out. Look at the smoke. These look beautiful. They're not overcooked. They're not falling apart. We don't have that gunkiness coming out of it. The spice is even. It smells amazing. And it's time for me to dive into this bad boy. So I'm just gonna pick this one right here. It is super hot. We gotta blow on it because I'm gonna burn the roof of my mouth off. It's gonna hurt more than Mardi Gras beads hitting my face. So here we go, gang. That is good. I gotta have more of it. So good. The Tony's gives it such a great flavor without over spicing it. We just have that touch of oil on there. This dish is perfect. Oh my gosh, I just love okra. And yes, I eat the whole thing. If you eat the little kind of, I guess they call it wouldn't call it the tip, maybe the head of the okra. Comment below if you know what that's called, because I don't know what it's called, but I do know what it's called. Delicious. This is delicious. This is a super change of vegetables to have on a low carb plan. And because you stayed to the end and watched our video, you can scroll below and download the link. You just click the link. The recipe will be delivered to your inbox. I promise you're gonna want this recipe. And to learn how to save more time and energy and money in the kitchen, be sure to visit swepco.com/save. And if you want to join an amazing Facebook group with a community of folks who love to share low carb recipes and shopping tips, be sure to friend Skinny Louisiana. And of course, gang, I love social shares. So be sure to take a snapshot of this video, share it on your Facebook, your YouTube, your Twitter. There's a whole bunch of them that I don't know the names of it, your Instagram. Tag Skinny Louisiana. And as always, folks, see you later, Gators.